Hi guys, welcome back to Legionero Ed. I am Legionero, and today I wanted to do a quick video and show you all my actual schedule. The last video I did is how to create a schedule. So I wanted to show you step by step how I create my own personal schedule. Now I'm creating this schedule in Microsoft Excel, and this is what it looks like. So the first thing I did, if you remember in the video, I list all of my tasks that I do throughout the day and throughout the week. So that's what the first column is all of my tasks. The next column is the day of the week that I perform each of these tasks. And then the next column is the actual time of day that I perform the task. And the last column is the length of time that each task should take. And I'm doing an estimate. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. It just depends on what I'm doing. So I've already filled out all of my tasks and I've already put the length of time because I've been doing this for a while. So I already know that certain things take a certain amount of time. So I have my quiet time in the morning when I first wake up, and that's 30 minutes. So whatever your tasks are, you list your task and then you list the amount of time that it takes to complete each task. All right. So let's go through the days of the week. So some things you're going to do every day, some things you're not going to do every day. So that's what I'm going to show you really quick. So I'll say quiet time is every day. So I'll do Monday through Sunday. And I'll just do a M and a S to represent Monday through Sunday. And I like to do it first thing in the morning. And I usually wake up around 6 a.m. or 5:30. And then 6 a.m. I'll start my quiet time. Then after my quiet time, I'll eat breakfast. So of course you want to eat breakfast every day. So that's Monday through Sunday. And I'll say 6:30. All right. And I always eat a really light breakfast. It may be fruit, it may be a smoothie. So it only takes me about 30 minutes. I'm not cooking up bacon and eggs, so it's not taking that long. All right. So once I eat breakfast, then I'll take a shower, get dressed. So we'll say same thing. You put the AM there. All right. And then driving to work. That's Monday through Thursday. I only work Monday through Thursday. So and it takes me about 20 minutes to drive to work, 10 to 20 minutes to drive to work. Um, so let's say I leave for work to drive to work about 8:20 a.m. All right. So working Monday through Thursday. And I work from 9 to 11. That's my first set of classes that I have to teach. So then I'll have my snack. We'll say I'll snack every day at 11:30. All right. So I like to sew Monday, through Thursday as well. I like to get in a little bit of sewing or something sewing related. And I like to spend about an hour, sometimes two, depending on, what I have going on. Um, so I'll say maybe 4 to 5 p.m. Monday through Thursday. All right. And then it's not really in order because I do have to go back to work in the afternoons. So we'll say I eat lunch Monday through Thursday from 12 oops, to 1 Keep typing in the wrong numbers. All right. So I'll eat lunch from 12 to 1, and I may have a class that starts at 2 o'clock. So I have to drive to work. So we'll say Monday through Thursday, drive back to work. And this is at a different campus, so it takes me about 20 minutes to get there. So driving to work at 1:30, and then I'm working from 2 to 3:30. All right. And I put 2 hours because I included driving home. Class is only an hour and 30 minutes, and it takes me about 20 minutes to get from that campus. So I just put 2 hours for work. And then I'm going to take this sewing off since I already have it earlier. So let's say I get home about 4 o'clock. I have to schedule time for social media. Otherwise, I will probably be on social media way longer than I should be. So let's say from 5 to 6 p.m. All right. Now, exercise. I have an exercise class. I'm going to take one of these off. I have an exercise class on Thursdays. There's one on Mondays and Wednesdays as well. So let's just do the Monday or Wednesday one. So the Monday, Wednesday exercise class is at 7 p.m. Right? And errands, I'm off on Fridays, so we'll do Fridays for my errands, and we'll say about 2 hours, and we'll say from 9 to 11 a.m. Cleaning, I like to clean on Saturdays, so we'll say 9 to 11. We'll just give it a time. You're going to cook every day, and all my meals are really short to cook. I don't spend more than an hour cooking a meal. I'm big on the 30-minute meals. I got that from Rachel Ray. So we'll say Monday through Sunday if I'm not going to exercise class. So it just depends because I don't always go to exercise class on Mondays and Wednesdays. And again, this is just a rough guesstimate of my schedule. So let's say I'm cooking at 7:30 p.m. And then Friday and Saturday, I'm going to sew for about 3 hours. So let's leave sewing from maybe 12 to 3 p.m. And then Monday through Sunday, dinner at 8 p.m. All right. So this is how I would set my schedule up on, let's say, Sundays. You start planning your week on Sundays. So on Sunday, I will sit down with this template. I have it saved in Excel so I can change it. If you don't want to change the original, you can add sheets down here. If you just hit the plus sign, it'll add a sheet. But you can go in and modify these times. If you figure out during the week that maybe it takes a little bit longer for you to run errands, and or maybe you want to switch days you want to run the errands, so you will switch the day, the times, whatever it is that you need to do. But this is a detailed schedule to make sure that I'm using my time wisely. And also when you're looking at the schedule, you'll see where you have pockets of time open. So for example, I don't schedule much on Fridays besides errands and sewing. Sometimes I may clean on Friday just so I can sit around on Saturday. So really Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays are my light days. So I have plenty of time on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays to do fun stuff. Going to the movies, hanging out with friends, whatever it is I want to do. But this is just a rough idea. of how I create my schedule each week. And hopefully you can create something in an Excel spreadsheet. You can even do something in Microsoft Word, create you a table, or either if you're old fashioned and you like to handwrite everything, grab your notebook, write down all of your tasks, and even if you have some fun time planned with your friends, write that on here. Write the day of the week you're going to do it, the time you're going to do it, and how long you're going to be out. So just make sure that you are adding everything to your schedule so you can efficiently see where you're spending your time and hopefully open up some free time for you. All right, so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.